Well, this is a strange one. Let's see what happens with that. I'm doing a timing belt on this Skoda, and you know, I've done 1,000 of them. You put your crankshaft pin in at the bottom, you put your camshaft pin here, and then you should be able to put a pin in here on the fuel pump. There's the hole, but there's no fork. The fork is up here. So by my reckoning, the timing's out by about 3 teeth or so. So we'll see on the other side whether it runs or not. Well, there you go. I put it back together with the correct timing, with the fuel pump timed up with the pin and everything else timed up the way you would normally time it. Turned out when I looked at it, yeah, it was 3.5 teeth out on the fuel pump. And I've just started it up just quickly there, and it runs sweet as a nut with the correct timing. So crazy. This car's been running and it's doing 50 miles to the gallon, and the fuel pump timing has been out by 3 teeth. Go figure.